is a noble profession of passion and is also known as the backbone of Indian economy. But today's youth are not interested in this field of work because they have this perception of farming being unprofitable, they have to invest a lot of hard work and mainly due to lack of technology. So, we aim at resolving this issue by providing an innovative solution by developing an automatic agriculture tractor which can be controlled easily through web applications. It will do almost all the work by itself and even does not even require the presence of farmers all the time in the field. Our main goal is to make farming much easier and more productive, thus bringing the concept of anyone can farm.
This is our prototype agriculture robot, which we can use for plowing, seedling, and fruit picking. In SAH finals, we'll be demonstrating our real-time proof of concept. So now, here you can see plower and seeding motor. You can also see lot of other wirings and boards which is used to control this robot. This robot here can be controlled by our thinking. Yes, just by our thinking. This is possible by measuring our brain's electrical pulse, which we call it as EEG. Here, I am happy to mention that we already have applied patent rights for this concept. I'll be using device called Neurosky brainwave sensor to measure my EEG and control the robot. So, let me just quickly demonstrate how it works. So this over here, this is what we'll be presenting in SAH finals. So let me explain each and every part here. So this is the battery source which will act as the power source for this old robot or tractor. And then you can see that sensor part over there. This is the limit sensor which will act as a sensor for plowing and harvester. And in this vehicle we'll be using quite a lot of sensors since it is a fully automated robot. And then below there you can see the setup for seeder. This small setup will be used for seedling, and then there will be a small mechanism over there, and that mechanism will be mounted behind this, which will act as the seeder and plower. And then now you can see that emergency stop switch which we can use in case of emergency. And then over here this is the electrical board of the vehicle which will control the overall robot. You can see Arduino, Raspberry Pi and other electrical appliances, and this is the motor controller which will control this 5 HP electrical motor which will drive this whole robot. And in front it is the harvester which will be used to harvest the crops once it is fully grown. And over here that is the electrical motor for controlling steering. You can see lot of sensors which will act as a limit sensor for the steerings. So this vehicle is fully autonomous, so we'll be using quite a lot of sensor over here. This is the solar panel which will be mounted over the robot since it will be backed up by the solar energy. So finally this is how the robot will look once the plower is mounted to it. And then now you can see the final outlook after the solar panel is being mounted on the robot. So now you can see the working of our proof of concept. This is being controlled by using our mobile application which we have developed.
Let's purge into some detailing on our goals through PFT. We have comforted us with the voice of customers by interrogating to various levels of farmers. Moving forth into our feasibility team, we have made a technical review with our team and our industrial personals. Pushing further with our knowledge, we enter in our conceptual trial and error design and simulation on SolidWorks. Later, it's hands-on time on our prototyping. We created using our scrap metal and second-handed electronics. We came across various development difficulties. Those are resolved upon further design reviews and industrial experience personals, and we came up with a fully simulated working prototype. In short, you will be experiencing a full-fledged model. As COVID-19 lockdown at its peak, we couldn't move on to further outside testing facility. In spite of more than making a concept idea for SIH, it's a complete startup idea to be enhanced with the state of art, tech and technology development that we are working on.
So now, let us have a quick overview of our web application. This will be our home page, and you can see the farming equipments and services that we provide. You can register and log in very easily, and after successful login, you will be directed to another home page where you get an option of either buying or renting the tractor. Along with it, you also get an option of selecting from the farming equipment that you require. This will be our automatic control page, and you can activate it to make your tractor run on its own. And you can also manually control your tractor with the help of control manual page. So since the work on land never stops, so let's gear up and contribute to the bright future of farming.